What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel again. We are, well, today a little different than the last two videos. We today are going to do some work and explain to you as soon as I get into my vehicle what I've actually been doing. Okay. Alright, guys, so we are in the vehicle and I am going to explain to you what I've been doing lately and why I haven't been creating videos as much as I used to. Make sure that's all down. So the reason why I haven't been creating videos like I usually do is because I started working for myself, actually doing automotive. So basically I work in my backyard fixing people's cars, and if they want me to come to their house, I go to their house and I fix cars. That's what I've been doing, and it actually has been going pretty good. People are satisfied, they're happy with my service, and they're repeating customers. So, and right now I am heading to a GM's dealership to pick up a part for a customer. He got his AC recharged, found out, geez, let me get that seatbelt on. He got his AC recharged, found out that the hose, here, let me get going by here. The hose that you're high and low on his truck is all in one. It's all one hose. Found out that this low end of the hose was leaking. So we're on our way to pick up the part. A little more expensive than any other usual hose, but anyways, that's that. And then after that there, I have to go to a customer. I did brake lines, and don't get me wrong, she was always willing to pay, and she was happy with my service, but you know, I basically told her straight up that it's time to retire the car. The car's too rusty, too old. It's, you know, it's, you're just gonna keep sinking money into it, and that's basically what she's doing right now with me going out there again. Like, you know, you're just gonna keep putting money into it, and there's nothing I can do about it. Like, you know, like, it's not that I'm terrible at my job. It's, I mean, once rust connects to any part of your vehicle, it's, unless you cut it out, you're gonna have it recur. And, well, her brake lines are all rusted, so, you know, I'll go out there, I'll do my best I can, but I already told her I think she should, you know, cut her losses with that vehicle and find something better. You know, it runs great, of course it does. I mean, it's GMC, the, what is it, Yukon? Great vehicles, they were great vehicles, but, you know, they're just, you know, I'm gonna fix this part of the brakes, and then the next part's gonna go, or, you know, or fix this here, and something else is gonna happen. You know, it's just, and it may not be nothing. It may be nothing. It may be just the vehicle is just old, and sensors, or, you know, anything, right? I don't know. We'll find out when I get out there. But anyways, with that said, let's head to the dealership here. I pick up that AC line, and then we'll go from there. Well, guys, we finally just come out of the shop right here. Buick GMC shop. I got the part. It's right there, along with all my other tools. But now we're gonna head out to see this lady, take care of her situation, and then we are going to head back in to fix his line and be done that there. So I'm gonna head out there. Probably won't record too much out there, just because you know, customers, and I am doing the work for them. You know, but actually I'm going to stop down here at the 7-Eleven, grab myself a drink, get my mouth not so dry, and then we'll head out there. So we'll catch you soon. Well guys, we're out here at this GMC Yukon, and all my work I did looks fine. The issue I believe we're having is the old cap, the old brake fluid cap is getting air into the system, which is causing it not to work properly. It's sucking air in, and I think that's what's causing our issue. And basically what was happening is all that pressure was building up in there, and I think it was coming out the cap too, maybe. Maybe not, I don't know, but in order to figure out the issue, I need to make sure the cap is working right. So that is what we're doing. She just ran to grab it, and hopefully that'll fix the issue, and then we'll go from there. So anyways, come back when I have more news. Well guys, we came to the conclusion after bleeding all the brakes, checking everything out, come to find out that what the problem is her calipers are sticking, which is causing the pads to burn up and smoke. Because that's why she called me, because her light was coming on and she had a pile of smoke in the back end, and that's all I could find was that the caliper was sticking. After 2 hours of bleeding the brakes and everything, that's what it was. So tomorrow I'm going to go back out, put new calipers on the rear. Hopefully that fixes the problem. If not, I mean, I've told her a couple times now, like, time to get rid of the vehicle. It's just costing you money, but yet she keeps sinking little bits and little bits into it. You know, if you figure it out, she spent roughly about $1,400 to, you know, $1,200 to $1,400 on that car already. I mean, that's halfway to having a half decent vehicle that, you know, by the time you're finished putting all the work into this damn vehicle, you're going to be at that price, right? You're going to be at the price where you could have just bought one. And that's what I told her to do, but some people don't want to listen, and they just kind of, you know, they figure, you know, well, we'll fix this here one, it'll get me through for a while, and I'll save some money. Well, you don't save money, you end up putting more money into it, like I did with the Audi. I put more money into it than what it was worth. But anyways, I'm on the way back to the house now. I got another guy showing up. I'm going to be doing some sway bar links in the front of his vehicle. They looked brand new, and then all of a sudden the bottom of them, the nut came off. I don't know. I checked them, they looked fine. You know, maybe I missed something, but anyways, he sent me a picture, and the bottom link was off, so there you go. There goes my wife. I wonder where she's going. Well guys, we finally finished up with Buddy there back at the house, and it's a little later in the day. He is coming back after. We're gonna do the back. My drill died at the end of doing the front, so he wants to do the back too, so we're gonna do the back. We're on our way now to do this AC. Buddy wasn't home all day, so I had to wait until he got back. So now we're gonna do the AC, and then that'll be the end of that. Where's this alleyway at? Oh, I see. I missed it, eh? Oh well, whatever. Talking to myself here, sorry guys. I'll just go up here and make a left and turn around. But anyways, I'm gonna go do this AC now. See, we'll get this here done, see if it works. Hopefully it does. He'll be happy, I'll be happy, I get paid, and we're done with that there. So let me get out back and we'll catch you. What is up guys? It is the next morning, and I am heading out to the lady's house in the country back to that GMC Yukon, I'm going to be putting some, geez, what am I putting in there? Calibers, rear calibers, not Envoy, or not yet Envoy, Yukon. So I'm gonna go out there right now. I'm gonna put those calibers in, get that done for her. I got all my tools in the back there, and then I'm heading back in. I gotta pick up a buddy of mine's, his cousin's car. He left the keys for me to pick up his car. I gotta do some work to that. I don't know. He says he thinks it's a wheel bearing on the front side, so we'll figure it out and we'll get it fixed. I'll probably just rent a bearing puller, you know, to do it right for him. I was gonna buy one, I just never got around to it, so I'll just rent one for today and get it done. Well guys, it's the end of the day and I'm shutting her down. I did my work. I went out to the lady's house again. I put the new calibers on. Still having an issue, and I'm not sure exactly what it is. I did everything that, you know, I was taught, and you know, I know. And I told her that. I said, you know, I'm basically at the point where I don't know what next to do. I've done everything. I bled the system. I replaced the brake lines. No, there's no leaks. Everything seems to be good, but the light is still coming on. I said it could be a sensor, it could be the switch. Usually if it's a switch, you think you would get a code with it, I believe. I don't know. I told her the best thing to do is take it to a brake shop, have them diagnose it, and then I'll do the work, right? Yeah, it's going to cost you a little bit of money, but it's better than me guessing and spending more money. So anyways, I did that there. The other guy I was working on his truck, he came back, I finished the suspension, got that all taken care of, and then I went over, grabbed my buddy's car, come back over, put two tie rods, or sway bar links, it's not tie rods, two sway bar links in his car. And when I was doing that there, noticed that his brakes are completely shot. Literally, there's no pad left, but they're not squealing. I don't understand that one. It's a Honda Civic, so if you have a Honda Civic and you haven't checked your brakes in a long time, I suggest you do so, because they do not squeal, I guess. But anyways, I told him I'm gone till Tuesday. He has two vehicles, so he's going to basically park that one. When I get back, I'm going to put the brakes all around her, and she'll be good to go again. And I believe that's the noise he's hearing. You know, when I heard it, it was noisy, but it wasn't a wheel bearing, so I was like, it can't be a wheel bearing. Sounds like your brakes were sticking or something, and then I come to realize that's exactly what it was. Is, you know, after taking it apart to put the sway bar links in that I knew were bad just from driving it, you know, I found this here after the fact. So, you know, I told him, I said, you pick up that there, and he's got his other car that needs a strut. I said, you pick up that there too, and I'll do it all at once over at your place, get her done. You know, instead of doing this here, charging you for this, then charging you for that, just charge you for the whole thing all at once, you know, and give you the discount because you are a friend. But anyways, with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the content that I am bringing lately. I'm going to try to bring more, and we are heading on a trip. So we'll catch you on the next one.